Beam me up, Scotty. Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Nissan Navara and then take you for a drive in it. Not so much show you around today. It's wild. It really is horrible. First thing I'm going to do is turn the engine on and we'll switch the heated seats on. Right, I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a Nissan Navara 2.5 dCi Salomon Connect Premium Double Cab Pickup. It's the EU5 engine. It's 2,488cc, 2015 on a 65 plate. Has done 27,055 miles. It's MOT'd until the 18th of the 11th, 2020. It was serviced on the 21st of the 3rd, 2018 at 18,089 miles at Colin Appleyards. Road tax, 12 months is £260, 6 months is £143. Fuel economy, urban 24.6 miles per gallon, extra urban 38.2 miles per gallon, combined is 31.7, has a 0 to 60 time of 10.7 seconds and a top speed of 111 miles per hour. Okay, I'll just take you for a ride in it. Vehicle's got a really good specification. As you can see here, full leather. It's kind of a platinum-y gold sort of colour, or grey silver. Make your own mind up from the photos, although today it's as I say, it's not a particularly nice day. But this is certainly the terrain for this sort of vehicle, and probably the person who buys it will live in a place not dissimilar to this, which this is Rivington, where I am at the moment. Lovely part of local part of the country near us. Excellent when it's sunny, fantastic on a motorbike. The only thing is, when you're in something like this, you have to look out for other motorbikes. I don't think we'll see many today, because it's awful. It's awful and bleak. The steering, as you'd expect from a pickup, lots of ground clearance, but it is. We've got a front central armrest here with kind of a loading space inside, 2 cup holders. We've got, if I can remember where the switch is without crashing, there we go. Power folding door mirrors. It's got the kind of a checker plate lid over the pickup, so you can cover things up. You can change gear, or water splash. You can change gear by knocking the gear stick over and or gear selector over and changing up and down like so. But really, no need for that, I don't think. Nice gearbox. We've just put 4 new tyres on it, and vehicle drives absolutely lovely. I'd prefer to come here taking photographs every day, really, rather than where we take photographs normally. But it is very, on a sunny day, this place is absolutely chock-a-block. Today we've mostly got it to ourselves. Here we go, we've got sat nav, Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming. So that would be, it's a touch screen as well. So that's the sat nav. If I actually put, there you go, I'll put the lights on outside, and that's probably going to be too bright for the cameras here. So that's gone into night mode there. So if you get fed up with me talking, you can always turn it down and look out the windows at the scenery. probably have noticed it's certainly not close ratio steering rack on it, mainly because it's designed to go over bumps and so on, and if you hit a bump you don't want your wrist breaking. I was going to do I was going to stop down here, but the biggest vehicle, in fact, can I stop there? And I'll let this vehicle go by. Otherwise we're going to there we go, let him go by. I don't want him right behind me all the time. So ideal vehicle for a farmer or somebody who lives out in the country. It's one of those vehicles that is going to get you anywhere on your land. You can chuck whatever in the back there. You can. It's nice and tidy in the cab. It's not been used commercially. It's not all scuffed up in the back either. So it's a vehicle that you could use during the week for work and use at weekend to take your kids out or whatever it is you wanted to do. And it's also great for hobbies, really. Put your bike in the back. Just on the outside of the windows here, I can't take this, well, I can take it down a little bit. Let's just go. Just on the outside of the window, you can see we've got these wind deflectors, which make it look pretty good. We've also got the big sidebars and the protector, the sun protector under the front. It's a really nice specification, a good looking vehicle. Pickup's becoming more and more popular these days. It's got a fantastic heater in, and I'm even going to have to switch the heated seats off. Little horsey. You can see it's a great driving position for terrain like this and walls on the outside and bushes. You can see over, and in a normal car or a motorbike, this is a very, very bumpy road. So it soaks the bumps up. Mind me, you must be keen. Over the cattle grid. So normally I'd take you up the motorway, but it's not really a motorway vehicle. I don't think you'd be buying, it'll cope adequately on the motorway, but I don't think you'd be buying for that. It's perhaps a kid's bus or a working vehicle, and it's just a lovely low mileage, pretty mint example. I can't think of any marks on it anywhere, and just a lovely thing. This looks a bit. If I meet anybody coming the other way here, I'm going to be struggling with all these cars. I don't know what's going on here. Blimey. Reservoirs are full, so to almost bursting. I've never seen them that high. So I'll show you how to pair your mobile, how to delete a mobile, how to stream audio, and how to set the sat nav in a second. I'll just pull over when I see somewhere. If the video of this vehicle has been of any use to you, please like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to us, and helps us with advertising costs going up the way they are these days. I'm not sure notoriety is the right word, but the notoriety we get from our YouTube videos is excellent, and the SEO that comes from them is another byproduct. We're in the fortunate position now of having somewhere near 13,000 subscribers on all the channels, so thank you for that. Don't forget to just have a look at our web store, and if you come back to GG Cars, if we haven't got anything for you now, come back to ggcars.co.uk or bookmark us, and you never know, we will have in the future. Well, we're doing 20 miles an hour. Gosh, I could pretty much walk faster than this. I don't know whether they're pulling over to let me go past, or whether they're indicating to go around this bend. I just don't know. I've just no idea. Gosh, that's unbelievable. Oh my word, what a shocking driver. Here we go. Just show you what it's like around these bends. Just find somewhere to pull over. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. What a place, what a place, what a place to pull up.